everyone there enjoying. Our next model, Flora, Bohemia, this continent, New Zealand. Wow, Aotearoa, make some noise, everyone! With a beautiful gown for the fashion show. Next up, we've got our very own crown winner, Nathan, everyone, taking the floor for a second time. Make some noise, everyone! Woo-hoo! Yes, if you see, we love what you see now. We've got our next beautiful white tour, striking in green. Wahine tour in the house. Wow! Check out the style. That's some Timberland boots for you all. Making up with the Rich Mario dress. Oh, with the Wahine tour hat. Beautiful. Brown striking with her beautiful garments. And also she's got a little surprise. Wow! She sure knows how to put on a dress and strike it with her best. Make some noise, everyone, for JD Martin. And in the colors of the Philippines, coming forward. Yo, this outfit here is for our Carnes. Now, if you're ready to find that, he really loves the energy. And bring you right here back to the Ethnic Festival for 2025. Now, this is a matching, but also beautiful veil of our amazing Rachel Mario collection. Get your eyes ready. We got the next crown winner coming to take the stage. Give it up, everyone, for our beautiful crown of winners. Wainatoa and our Kānetoa at the back there. Wow, stunningly beautiful. Now this last garment, if you're wanting to win, this right here is a dress showcasing what Ultimate Language Week is all about. Giving you grace, giving you elegance for the ethnic festival. But also, she is a crown winner here in Aotearoa. Make some noise, everybody! And Queen, make some noise, everyone, for our stunning sari and orange and showcasing what diversity is all about here in Mt Roskill. Next, Queen, come on down. We have got the glitz and glamour for you all. This one is representing the colors of the ethnic festival, everyone. Coming down with a beautiful style of grace. Get your cameras out. Roll on things. E-News, BBC News, Fox News. Take the picture. Woohoo! Alright. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. If you're looking for your dress, alright. We love Fiji. Come along and strike the style. Check out the colors of diversity here. Beautiful layers of ethnic community festival. Alright, Samoa for Pan Pacific. This European is wearing colors of the ocean, but also signifying and symbolizing what's going on. Beautiful layers of Rotoma. If you love what you see, let me see your hands over. And it's a special piece by Rachel Mario. And I'm going to ask her to come to the front to walk for this collection. Rachel Mario. For the collection of Rachel Mario. We'll get Nathan to walk down with Rachel. Beautiful. One more. The collection of Rachel Mario. Hey. And now next one. Beautiful. All right. Stunning. Booyah, Africa. All right. Afro Hall is all about. And also our Uganda store there with our sister Sandy is what Africa is all about as well. Showcasing our representing Afro Hall. Big stretch, come on down. Giving sophistication. In a stunning wear of Afro Home, where you can see the layer. Top dress with beautiful heels. For the ethnic festival for 2025. Make some noise. This is the kimono. Wow, she's got the crowd going wild. Stunning queens of Russia showcasing Afro Home for 2025. Stunning and getting the crowd on their feet with the purple kimono for Afro Home. Make some noise, time to get the photos. What's the next outfit of Afro Home? These are for our brothers. Wow, she gave us the swirl, she gave us the looks. The queen in purple is giving it all. From Afro Home, strike the style, strike the style. Woo! Get your cameras out, get the vibe out. And our next queen coming on out with her kimono. Let's go, let's go. Wow. The different colors of Africa. We got our next kimono in blue, representing the lovely colors of diversity here for our ethnic festival. Make some noise, everyone! All right. Now I'm going to answer the next queen, but we've got a few more models left to come and take the stage. Come on down with the last minute collection for Afro Home. Beautiful, nice layers of colors and also the patterns. JD Martin is coming back to the crowd, everyone. Make some noise. This is a two-piece collection for Afro Home. If you're wanting to strike your best strike, this has the kimono along with the dress. On its own, you can take it off as well. Put it on your shoulder and brace the ground. Make some noise, time if you love the frills and you love the style and you want a dress to really look good at the next event or occasion or for an office collection. Smile and wave, baby. Smile and wave. And now, finale walk with all of our knowledge. We're just going to ask Flora and Jane to stand at the front. Final finale walk for Afro Home. Make some noise, everyone, for this collection. Oh, stunning. Louder than that, father. Louder than that. Yes, 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 yes. Woo-hoo! Afro Home, ladies and gentlemen. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And our designer, come on now, my sister. This is the woman behind Afro Home. Making garments from her home and giving you a little taste of what diversity and mana is all about in Auckland for the Ethnic Festival. Round of applause, everyone. Keep walking, keep walking. Let's go, my sisters. Enjoy the moment. Oh, they're running.